channel Ocean Amit Gamers. Today we'll play totally reliable delivery service in multiplayer. Where is my brother? Hello, Lucky.
I am coming.
Okay, till then I
Wait.
I am talking with this auntie. Hello, auntie. How are you? Hello, auntie. Hey. See, now we have been buy the full version. See, this all are full version. Now we can play in full version now. Lucky, where are you? Oh,
I am coming.
I am coming, not I am come.
Sorry, my big brother.
I will restart that HQ. I think so you have internet problem. 1 minute, I will change your internet. Hello, Lucky. Are you this? Why are you dancing? Let's fight.
No. No
Yeah.
fighting. No fighting, my big brother.
Yeah.
Not doing that like this.
Jump. Yeah.
Why are you like this, Kutu?
Yes. Now who will win? What? What are you eating? Hey, what is that? Are you a baby?
Yes.
Why are you keeping like that? Oh, lolly baby. How are you? Okay, let's start.
Okay.
See, we have full version. I will do my job. You do your job, okay? I'm going by. Oh, wow. Hey, how many times? Why are you going round and round? Levi, come here. See, I will go in helicopter. Sorry, I will go in plane. You come in helicopter, okay?
No.
I'm coming in plane. Ah, my headshot. Okay, leave. Friends, please do subscribe to my channel and my brother's channel also. See, my brother, he's getting so many views. Now he got, I don't know how many. Lots of views he got. Now please give me also lots of views and please give subscribe also. And if you like this video, hit a like also. I think so. I am changing my dialogues now before. Hey! Lucky, I am ready, Lucky. Where are you? Wait, I will give you lift. Okay, you are there. See, he's running. I am landing on you. Friends, see, I have got the full map. See here. See, this is the full map. See, this is the full map. No blockage also. Yesterday only we have been buying. Now this is the full map. I want to go to mountain. Lucky, come to mountain, okay? Now he is coming. Come fastly. Yeah, land. Leave it. Just a miss. Hey! Hey! Why? Fly.
What are you doing, brother? Don't do like this.
1 minute, I am also coming in your helicopter. Where are you?
Yeah.
Land it. Please land it.
Okay.
Help me. Here, come here and land. Please, here. Okay, don't need. I will come in another way. Where will be another helicopter? I think so. Somewhere I saw. Yeah. That side. That side I will go there. Lucky, I will drive you. Come here.
1 minute, I will take it fast.
No need parcel and all. We will go. Okay, catch. Why are you running like this? Come fastly.
Okay, one. Oh no. Blasted.
Why you blasted? This vibration sounds so. I will off it. 1 minute. I will off this vibration because it is disturbing the video. Resume. Okay, I will try again. Wait 1 minute. No need that parcel and all. We'll deliver it afterwards. We'll say the customer. We'll deliver it tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Till then we will enjoy the helicopter. Enjoy with the helicopter. Okay, come. I will try.
Oh no. Okay.
Come
1 minute,
fastly.
my big brother.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come. Catch me. Wow. What? Catch me.
No.
Ready? I am going. See, friends, if you have any stuck, please write in the comment. Then I will change the screen recorder. Then nothing stuck will come another time. Okay, I'm coming to the Lucky. You
Yes,
can
my big brother.
come in aeroplane. You can come in plane.
Oh,
Ah.
no, blasted.
Okay, I will spawn here. I'll spawn another helicopter. You come in plane, okay? Or else you will drive plane. I will take lift of your plane.
Okay.
How much cost will happen?
500.
500 rupees. Oh,
Oh, sorry. $100 million.
what? $100 million.
Yes.
I can't understand. Okay. Very funny you are. You are very funny, man.
1 minute.
Hey, what happened? Come fastly. Yeah. Go. That's yeah. I haven't catched it. Yeah, go. Fly. Ooh, hey, blast.
Why are you like this doing?
I am not doing. You are driving, okay? Say Gadatar. Cheater. Where are you?
I'm not cheating, okay?
Don't be that much angry. Hey, see here, there is a stadium cricket. Okay, come, we will see cricket.
Okay.
I will batting. I am batting, okay?
No. I'm not. No.
Okay, I will be bowling.
Where is
Booster
it?
Club. Wow, what a stadium, Booster Club. Come here. This side, I think so. Entrance. What? Not cricket?
What cricket?
What? Oh, car game. Okay, come, we'll play car game.
Yeah.
You drive one car, I will drive another car. 1 minute, I'm starting. Hello. Where are you?
What is this?
How are you flying?
God is flying. Wow. So wonderful.
Whoa, like this we can fly, right? Wow. How we can fly.
No.
You fell down. I will take the orange car. See here?
Wow, this is so wonderful.
Not wonderful, it is nice.
It is nice.
Wow, what a stunt. I made a stunt now only. Lucky. Where are you?
I'm here.
1 minute, I am coming. Doing stunts. Where are you, man? Wait, I am coming. Lucky, I wow, your car came here. Hey, see a racing car. Hey, someone
This is my car.
is there, huh? No. See here, something.
So speed car.
This is speed car, okay? This is no.
Oh, no.
Now you fell down now, na?
Yes.
Come here. There is a. Hey, somewhere is. What? Ball is. Ball is floating. Hey! Where are you?
I'm here.
Hey, I want to go up. Come down. Yeah, now came. Very good boy.
I'm not doing.
Lucky, we'll go to hot air balloon.
No, baby.
Please come here. See,
1 minute.
first we have to go to airport, okay?
1
Lucky, come here. I came into airport. Where are you going? Okay, I am coming in helicopter. You come in plane, okay? Okay, I will come in plane. I am talented in plane, okay? Friends, please do like, share and subscribe. We have been reached to 22 subscribers. In 6 months, it should be 1000 subscribers in next 6 months. I hope it should be. Please support my channel. It's growing very good. Our YouTube channel is growing very good. Please support us. Okay, Lucky, come here.
I am flying.
Where are you flying?
Don't disturb me.
Where are you now?
I am here.
I can't see you. 1 minute, I am coming. Wait. Where are you? Hey, you have helicopter. Oh, you. Wow, very good. What a blast. Claps. Lucky, don't shout. I am getting headache. Come here. I will. Come down.
Balloon. Yay.
Wait. I am also coming.
No.
Please.
I'm trying a hot air balloon.
Okay, I will also come. Please wait for me. 1 minute. I am climbing the mountain with. In reality, we can't go with the plane, right? We have to climb that. Yeah. 1 minute. Coming. Wait. Jump. Doing stunts and jumping. Hello, Lucky. Wait. Cheater. Going up. Bad boy. You're not helping me.
Okay, and you are helping.
Come here. Come down half.
1 minute.
Hey, come here down.
1 minute, my big brother.
Lucky, come down.
Yes, this is very slow. Okay.
Coming down slowly.
Okay.
Hey, your mic is there,
I
huh?
am going to snow gate.
Is this a mic? No, Thanos. No. I am a.
Not Thanos. Not Thanos.
What happened? No, only something happened now. Hey, how much time, man? Come down. Yeah, right. Yeah, very good. Leave it. Leave it.
No.
Leave it.
1 minute. Yes, I will leave it.
Landing. Yeah. Very good. Come down.
This is what.
Okay, very good. You have been landed. I am also coming now. Start.
1 minute.
Go to that mountain. How much cost will happen?
1 minute.
How many rupees should I have to give?
500 rupees dollars.
500 rupees dollars. Means I can't understand. Means I have to give 500 rupees in Indian currency. Hey! How? See? Away. Go front. Leave my hand. How dare you to touch me?
Please, what drive, please?
I will try. Coming down. Wait. Coming. Yeah. Leave. Off that. Go front. I will drive it. Yeah. Now okay. Very good. Now you have been stuck. Come friend.
1 minute.
That's why I told you. Yeah, coming.
I'm first go.
Go faster. I will push you.
1 minute.
I will drive, okay?
Okay.
Come
Go.
fast.
Go.
Yeah, I'm going, man. That side we have to go, right?
Give me that mountain go you are.
Okay, I'm going to mountain only. Wait 1 minute. Wait, I'm turning it. Why are you keeping like this? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait. Yeah. Lucky, first come inside.
No.
See, I'm keeping it down.
No. Please, no.
Come now, come inside. It's very wide that side. Side. No. Back. We have to go back.
Right.
I can't go that side. Lucky, I think so. We'll go in helicopter, okay? I can't drive this, okay? I will go to airport. I'm going to airport. How this uncle came here? What? I can't understand your words. Hey, here ramp is there. Okay, come. Hey, see here, there is a helicopter area.
No, that is my helicopter.
Please, yaar. I will drive, okay? I will drive very nicely, okay?
No, I will drive in.
Please, my brother, right? Please.
No.
Please. Why?
Land.
Yeah, very good boy.
Come my big brother. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah, very good. Back. I will come. Hey, how are you, pilot? How did you got a license of pilot? You don't know how to drive a helicopter? Hey!
You are there.
I will drive now. See, I will drive how I will drive. See my driving.
100 catch you are. 100 catch you are.
Means you are saying that I am very white, but in reality I am very light. I am going by. Come fast.
1 minute. I will take the parcel.
No need parcel Gatesel. Okay, come fast.
Parcel.
Boy, this parcel is going to that airways. See, there is a jet, right?
Okay, now go.
First we have to go to. Hey! Leave that hand. What happened? Wait, leave the hand.
You won't leave it.
What happened to it?
1 minute.
Yeah. Now okay. 1 minute. Now leave me. Take that parcel.
No.
Take that box. Hey, in that box, popcorns are there, right?
Yes.
If you hit that, popcorns are coming outside. Hit it. See. Popcorns are coming outside. Catch me. Catch me. Not helicopter. It's very wait for you. Ready? Going up. Right. See, there is the airways, right? We have to go that side.
Okay.
See how it's going. First you have to land there. Perfectly you have to land. Friends, this video is very long. Then also please cooperate. It's very funny also. Please like also. Please do like. Why are you talking? Oh, slow. Oh, very sorry. Wait. I can't balance your weight also. Now where is that? Lucky, you are very white. Wow, bye.
Please call.
Bitch, this helicopter will also.
Please.
No, just miss. I will also fell in water. Where are you now? You are that side. Shall I help you?
No.
I will help you.
No.
Wait, I will come in helicopter. Okay, I am going anyway. I am going to mountain, okay?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes, eh?
Yeah.
Where is the mosquitoes? Delivery is been failed. Now how can we deliver now?
No.
Now where are you?
Oh my god.
Wait, I am helping you. I am landing there. Wait.
Oh my god.
See, I am helping you.
I'm jumping. 1 minute.
No. Wait. I am landing there. Okay, wait. Wait, I am landing. Land. Hello. You have to give 500 rupees for me. Please say loudly, okay? Lucky.
Please,
Why are you catching an umbrella? 1 minute, Lucky, landed. Come fastly. Come fastly.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Come fast.
Unicorn.
Friends, this is enough for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Next episode will come in Sunday. Now this episode I uploaded in Saturday today only. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.